Okay, last part of your review, it's all about tangents. So just to be clear what a tangent is a line that's going to intersect at one point on a circle. So you've got two types of tangents. You've got these two that are paired together, and then you have one that's going to just skim along the outside. So two things you need to remember are, first of all, a radius and a tangent make a 90-degree angle. Okay, so that's really important. And then another thing is when two tangents start from the same place on the outside and they're both tangent to that circle, they're the same length. These are both the same length. Okay, those are two things that you're going to need to remember for this test. So looking at this first one, we've got just one tangent, and they're asking us for the length of this line on the bottom. Okay, so they told us that we've got a radius and a tangent. Okay, just like we just talked about, we know those are 90-degree angles. Okay, and then we've got our 60-degree angle down here, and our length of our tangent on the outside. So we want this hypotenuse right here of our triangle. So when I go through, I'm going to have to do my 30, 60, 90. Okay, 1 square root of 3 and a 2. Okay, and I'm going to put my length in there. So my 4 square roots of 3 is across from my 60. So 4 square roots of 3. And I'm looking for this hypotenuse, which is across from 90. So I need this section. I cross multiply and divide. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. So we've got 8 square roots of 3. And then we're dividing by that other square root of 3. And these are going to cancel out, top and bottom. So that length right there is going to actually equal 8. Now we've got this bottom part down here where they gave us two tangents. Okay, now we talked about up here that these two tangents are the same length. So I need this 3x plus 3 and this 24 to be equal to each other. So 3x plus 3 equals 24. Now I'm just going to solve for x. I subtract 3. That gives me 21. Okay, then I've got my 3x over here, and I'm going to divide by 3, and my x equals 7. Okay, simple as that. You just have to remember that these two are equal to each other. We didn't even need the 21 in the middle. That was just to throw us off. Okay, now your very last question for this test. Okay, we have an inscribed quadrilateral, okay, with a circle on the inside. Now, we talked about tangents come from the same place and that they were the same length. So in this case, we've got two tangents, the same length. 1 and also 1. Now this one, same thing, 2 and 2. 4 and 4. 3 and 3. Now, they wanted us in this one to find the perimeter. Okay, so P equals what? Okay, so in order to find perimeter, we have to add all the way around. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 2 plus 2 is 4. Now I'm just going to add all those together. So we've got 12 and 8 is 20. So my entire perimeter is 20. That's it. You're reviewed for your test. Good luck, guys.